Alright, Makisi, let's get started. Alright, so replace the cube with the monkey head. Delete the two objects. Wait, and mesh. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing we did in the last tutorial. We're gonna get rid of the eyes. I keep forgetting to turn on the screen key. Do that. Green cast key. Okay. Let's just save it for now. And so this time we're just gonna leave it like this compared to the last time that we did a tutorial. I added some spheres for the eyes, but the eyes are going to be added in Unity. So the next thing that we want to do is add a modifier to just make it more smoother. Subdivision Surface, I'm gonna put 4, just that's how I want it to look. So after we make it smoother, we're gonna add some shape keys, but if we add the monkey right now, the shape keys won't work in the Unity software if it has certain types of modifiers. We can't add modifiers when we want to use the shape key. So we're gonna have to export it, then import it again. That way it won't have these modifiers. So let's do that. I want to name this 01. That way I won't get confused. Export. Now I'm just going to add it back in. Import. See how it looks? It's because there's one on another, so let's make this one invisible. And then just get rid of the lights. I should have exported it without the lights, so let's just do that now. Let's delete it. Now you can see we have only two sounds. And I want to delete this sound. And you can also see that this sound has a modifier and this one does not. So got rid of that, and now we could use a shape key. So let's delete this one. Okay. Awesome. There's a bone as well. Let's go to add armature. Now you can see the bone. Let's make the bone visible. It's right here. View display. We want to see the names, and let's stick it in front as well. Now we want the head to move with the bone, because the bone doesn't move with the head. So click on the mesh. The fifth key, then click on the bone. Go right click it in the parent bone. The shader with the bone. Okay, awesome. And now let's add some shape keys. For this key, we want the vertex to be. Let's finish the head bone name first. Let's go to armature and bone. Let's double click it in this name it. So let's add the bases. Then let's add another one. We'll name this mouth. So let's set it to 1. And now we're gonna use sculpture mode for this one. Compared to the other one, we use edit mode in the other tutorial, but we're gonna use sculpt mode this time because it's a lot easier. We use edit mode, you'll see that it has too many. I don't see how we could make this work. Or maybe you can. But I think sculpt mode will be better for this situation. And then we're gonna use the grab tool for this. And this time, let's see. This time I'm going to make a little bit bigger at the beginning. And then make it smaller. No, I can make it smaller. I'll try to make this monkey smile. Why so serious? Or you know what? I'm going to make it exaggerating and smile, but I'll do that for another day. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Okay, cool. So now let's make mouth open. Mouth open. Okay. Where's mouth locking? So to and then locking. Then it's gonna be the relative mouth close. And there you go. Okay. I hope I did not confuse you. So let's add another one, and we're gonna make this one mouth. No, we want to make that high spinning. So it's going to be for the right high. Set it to 1, and this from the monkey's perspective, the right eye is going to be this one. Yeah. Let's try to make the eye blink for this one. And one easy way to avoid, I'll show you right now. Wait. Okay, so let's make it blink. Let's make the radius bigger. Well, not that big. A little smaller. That's good enough. Nope. We got some in the back. A little bit. No. Just add a sphere where the eyes are, so that way we could have some reference how much we should extract the eyelid. These are the locations if you just want to copy that as for the other eye. Okay. And now just try to close the eyelid for this one. And you'll notice that it kind of goes through the eye, and that's what we want to avoid. Let's go to sculpt mode. And I'll try to modify that. This one, I'm pushing outwards the eyelid, so we could go outwards of the eye. No, I also want to get rid of the bone, so let's click on the bone. make it a split. And the eye looks like someone punched it. So he's a fighter. Yeah, oh my god. He looks bruised. Oh my god. Also, in the process of closing and opening it, you can see that it goes inside the eye. So really could fix that. And let's do the same for the other eyelid. So let's make another one. Add, and double click. Let's call it left eyelid because that's what's the eye shape point. Okay. Set it to 1. So let's do the same. My eyelid's still called bruise, like the other one. Or monkey. Yeah, that looks better. Okay. And here's the fun one. We're gonna make the cheeks puff. Okay. Cheek puff. Set it to 1, and we're gonna make these stuff. And we could use, for this one, we could use symmetry, but for some reason I can't find it. Oh, it was right there. Right though. Let's exaggerate it. I think it'll be funnier if we exaggerate the stuff. Ooh. How does it look with the mouth open though? Mouth. Oh, okay, that's cool. Okay, look. So let's do another save increment. Yeah. Okay. So let's just export it. Final edit. So on the head, on the monkey head, we're finished. Now we just have to set it up on Unity. In the next video, we will add the eyes and the skin. Also, we will set up the live capture in a few easy steps for the monkey to copy your facial expression. You might encounter this problem in the next episode, where the monkey is facing the wrong direction. If you do, this episode will explain how to fix that. It's an easy fix, so don't worry.